అది ప్రోగ్రామ్ ఆయన మన వాళ్ళ అబ్బాయి రావట్లేదు సార్ ఫీవర్ వచ్చాను ఆయనకి అయితే అంటే లోపల చూడండి సార్ మరి అబ్బాయి రావట్లేదు అని చెప్పి ఇది ఇంకేదిగా అది ఎప్పుడు ఏంటంటే ట్యాక్సీ దూరం వెళ్తారు సార్ ఆయన ఏంటంటే నిన్న ఫంక్షన్ కాదు నైట్ ఒకసారి నేనే కదా నేను ఇప్పుడు వెళ్తాను సార్ నేను ఆర్డర్ పెట్టి చూసుకొని డైరెక్ట్గా ఒక 1 అవర్ వెళ్ళిపోతాను డైరెక్ట్ హైదరాబాద్ వెళ్ళి అక్కడ చూసుకొని అక్కడ మన శ్రీనివాస్ గారు నాకు కలిసి అదే 6, 7 ఆ టైంలో నేను ఆఫ్ చేసుకుంటాను 3 వరకు
Describe him or her. Okay. For here, I have given a brief paragraph which describes about a girl by name Ganga. And these are the possible words that we can use to describe about the Ganga. If we remove these describing words or adjectives, we do not give the more information about the girl. Yes or no? By using these adjectives, we can give some more information about the girl. What kind, what attitude, what nature, and etc. All the things we can give very clear that information by using adjectives. Adjective here it means it gives some additional information about the girl. As this is the paragraph about the girl, her name is Ganga. Now I read the paragraph for you. Ganga is a very calm and quiet girl. She is one of my best friends.
Who is Ganga, sir?
She is a brilliant girl in the class. She has a dark black long hair. She has a habit of helping everyone in the class. She is very happy every time. We all enjoy her company. She also speaks very good English. Her hobby is to become an English teacher. I read it again for you. Ganga is a very calm and quiet girl. She is one of my best friends. She is a brilliant girl in the class. She has a dark black long hair. She has a habit of helping everyone in the class. She is very happy every time. We all enjoy her company. She also speaks very good English. Her hobbies is to become an English teacher. See that. In this paragraph, there are certain words which can describe about the girl. There are certain words which can give some more information about the girl. Those words are given in red color. So these words are considered describing words or adjectives. So these words, they give some additional information, more information about the girl Ganga. For example, if you remove these adjectives, but the more information about the Ganga is not clear to know whether she is calm, angry, or best friend, worst friend, or brilliant girl, or dull girl, or grey hairs, or dark hairs, and happy, or sad, or she is good at English, or bad English, or English teacher, mathematics teacher. So what kind of about her is absent if we do not use adjectives or describing words. So that we can use adjectives or describing words to give some more information about the person, about the things, objects, situation, or occasion. From that point of view, in this paragraph, you are asked to identify what are the describing words that can give some more information about the girl. She is a person. Please take it a photo, a screenshot here, and write the same in your notebook. Is it over? Okay. Sunil asked me to show the first one, introduction. Okay. I will show you first one. Please take it as early as possible. Okay, this is the introduction part, Amma. All of you can take it. Okay. I hope it is clear. Now, second one. If anybody missed taking this, you can take it. Next.
आता है वो लिख लो स्क्रीनशॉट ले लो
Wait.
मम्मी कहाँ है
Okay, మనకు మిస్ అయింది నాన్న ఇది ఇక్కడ. Okay. Now, we discussed about the Ganga by using describing words. Similarly, one more paragraph is given by using describing words. Try to identify what are the describing words that are used in the given paragraph. And the given paragraph is about Lavanya. Okay. Now, question is identify the describing words in the given paragraph. Here, describing words we can also consider adjectives.
चलो खा लो
Okay, Manas Avina, she has a doubt. Okay, Amma, I will give the time for 5 minutes before ending the class. At that time, you can ask. Sunil also, just let me know what is your doubts. Okay. Now, I read this paragraph for you. Lavanya is a tall, slim woman in her early 20s. She has got thick black hair and brown eyes. She usually wears traditional Indian clothes. She is very shy. For instance, she finds it very difficult to make new friends. So in this paragraph, this is the paragraph is describing about Lavanya. Yes or no? About herself, about her taste, about her attitude. So to describe about that Lavanya, we can use some adjectives or describing words. So from that point of view, there are many describing words are there, but some describing words I have listed out in the answer. Okay. For example, if you go through in detail about the identifying describing words, let us see that how many describing words are here in the paragraph. I read it out for you. Lavanya is a tall, slim woman in her early 20s. In the sentence, tall or slim, these are the two words that are give some more information about the woman, yes or no. So that these two words we can consider describing words. Next sentence, she has got thick black hair and brown eyes. In the sentence, only I have taken thick and brown. Apart from that, you can also take it black as describing words. Okay. She usually wears traditional Indian clothes. Traditional is the describing words. Indian is also a describing words. Okay. She is very shy. Shy is a describing word. For instance, she finds it very difficult to make new friends. Difficult is describing word. New friends, in that new is also a describing word. So the words which are given in red color, we can consider describing words. Here, describing words are also adjectives. They can give some more information, additional information about the noun. It includes the name of a person, object, or the things. Describing words can also give some additional information about the situation or the occasion. Please take it a photo, screenshot. In exam, you are given a paragraph, then asked to identify describing words. then your answer must be like that how I gave in the slide.
तुम इसका
For
नजाते हैं
example,
ना
answer tall,
इसका नजाते हैं ना
slim, brown, thick, traditional, shy, difficult, new. So how I mention the answer like that, you are supposed to identify and list out all the describing words that you can find in the paragraph. If you get a doubt whether a particular word is a describing word or not, then you have to see the link. That is, the word is giving some more information about the people or the place, object or thing, occasion or the situation. If that word gives some additional information or describe about person, people, things, place, situation or occasion, those words we can identify describing words. That is the clue for you only to know whether a word comes under describing words or not. So with these examples, generally you can identify that describing words have such nature that can give some more information. Very good. Next. So it is completed. Now, please take some examples of adjectives. There are many adjectives are there. I have given some generally we can use while describing about a person, about a place, about a thing, about occasion or a situation. So these are the possible words, minimum possible words that we can use while describing. Please look at good, clever, big, kind, red, high, some, much, less, mine, that, those, your, two, first, India, poor, rich, young,
आपको सुखा सकते हैं
old,
खा लो तो जान
second,
पर आ रहे हैं
great, small, bad, new, long, full, taste, bright, lazy, rude,
जाओ फिर अब तो मजा
dull,
हाँ जाओ
industrious, polite. So these are some of the examples for adjectives. These adjectives are used along with the noun. Noun includes the name of a person, place, things and etc. See that. For example, how we can use these words with the noun to give some more information. For example, good girl, good boy, yes or no? Clever student or clever fox. Next, big stick. In big stick, stick is the noun. About that noun, we describe by using a word that is big. In that, we can change the describing word. By that, we can change the meaning of that word. For example, big stick, long stick. Here, stick is not changed, but the describing word can be changed here. For example, big stick or long stick. Next, kind person, kind woman, kind teacher, kind officer. In this, the kind is the word describing about the person. Next, red book. Yes or no? In red book, red is a describing word. High mountain. In high mountain, high is the describing word. Some water. In some water, some is the describing word. Much time. In much time, much is a describing word. Less time. Less is a describing word. It is mine. It is mine in the sentence. Mine is a describing about it. Though that similarly, those, yours, two, first, Indian, poor, rich, young, old, second, great, small, bad, new, long, full, taste, bright, lazy, rude, dull, industrious, polite. So these are examples of adjectives. We can use these adjectives with the noun.
ऊपर वहाँ खाली अंदर रखो ताला रखो लेकर मैं देखता हूँ क्या होगा.
Now, see that here a small paragraph is given with the blanks to identify what is the appropriate or suitable describing words that is
Raju
used in
is
the
good
given
boy.
blank. In exam,
अलवा का डोर खुला है.
similarly, you are given
ठीक है. लगे
a paragraph like this with the blanks and you are asked to select appropriate describing word from the list. Okay. I read it the given paragraph for you. Okay, read the passage and fill in the blanks with the appropriate adjectives from the choice given below. Okay. This is the paragraph is about the Raju. Raju is a
Good boy.
dash boy who always stands first in the class. The teachers like him for being dash in the class. His classmates adore, give respect to him because he is dash. He is dash but is dash. See that if you are not given the clues or the hints, it is very difficult for you. Yes or no? So as to avoid that kind of the difficulties, okay. Here some clues are given to avoid you a lot of confusion in examination hall to identify the appropriate describing word. I read the paragraph once again for you. Try to identify what is the appropriate word that is suitable in the given blanks. Take or select those words from the given choice in answer part. The paragraph is for you is Raju is a dash boy, rich boy, humble boy, industrious boy, obedient boy or bright boy.
Right boy.
Second one is who always stands first in the class. The teachers like him for being dash in the class. What is the appropriate word? For being humble in the class, for being rich in the class, for being industrious in the class, for being obedient in the class, or for being bright in the class. Try to identify the appropriate word. Next sentence. His classmates adore him because he is. What is the appropriate word? He is humble, he is rich, he is industrious, he is obedient, he is bright. Last sentence. Is dash but is humble but is rich, or is rich but is humble, is industrious but is rich. Like that, identify from the given choice. Think yourself for 2 minutes. Then I can say that answer.
नहीं सोच को बोलो.
नहीं है तो मैं बोलती हूँ.
Under the part answers. In exam, you are given the paragraph with the blanks and some
एग्जाम खाता खाता बोलते हैं.
the blank is given one type of the color. The answer is also given the same color. You might have noticed that. Yes or no? First one is Raju is a bright boy who always stands first in the class.
40.
The teachers like him for being obedient in the class. His classmates adore him because he is industrious. He is
Rich.
rich but he is obedient.
What is
I read it
bright?
for you once again. Here, the blanks are given the particular color. Similarly, some describing words in the answer also given the particular colors. For example, the blank is red color. The answer is red, suitable to that. The blank is given in the black color. The answer is rich is the suitable there like that. And green, humble the green blank is suitable like that. You have to identify the answer. I read it for you with the answers. Raju is a bright boy who always stands first in the class. The teachers like him for being obedient in the class. His classmates adore him and give respect to him because he is industrious. What do you mean by industrious? Very hard worker. He works very hard. That we can say industrious. He is industrious. He